So Iceman asked me if I would. It's Iceman asked me if I would, pull the probe apart here, and you can see I got the wire, disconnected out of the clamp probe. I just have the clamp probe just here to take the weight off of it. Ran it underneath some zip tied it to the line. Have it foil tape. Have it wrapped with foam. Then I have some foil tape. So we're keeping away the the heat by conductivity and also the thermal radiation. Because it's reflective. And I want to see how close the thermistor matched with the bare thermistor matched with the saturation temperature of the refrigerant, and how accurate this gauge really is, and then sort of get an idea what the impact is of using a temperature clamp probe. So if you look over here, and I'm going to put it on the backlight here just to make this a little brighter and refocus the camera, and you can see EV right here is evaporator temperature, so that's the saturation temperature of the refrigerant. If I hit the down arrow, T1, that's the measured temp. So 39.6, back up 39.7, 39.6, 39.7, 39.6, pretty stable, 39.6. So these are literally within 1/10 of a degree of each other, right? Almost dead. It's dead perfect. You can't get any closer than this. And it's literally 39.6, 39.7. You got to remember this is a temperature pressure relationship, so tiny changes in pressure, we're seeing those tiny changes in saturation temperature, and there's our measured temperature. So this is as true a picture of saturation as you can get, and just goes to show you how accurate a digital gauge like the Testo 550 really is. So pretty slick. That goes to show us the temperature clamp. Using the clamp probe has an effect of about a degree of change, and that's why the 570 has that temperature clamp compensation built in for that increased accuracy. But I mean, you're talking about a degree here, so let's not quibble over something that tiny. But pretty slick how accurate that thing, how accurate that really is. I mean, bam, right there, perfect picture of saturation temperature. Going back and forth, those things are absolutely identical. Awesome. All right, thanks.